Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Understanding and Using torch.unsqueeze in PyTorch, a comprehensive tutorial. PyTorch is a popular deep learning library that provides a flexible and efficient platform for building and training neural networks. In certain situations, you may need to manipulate the dimensions of your tensors to ensure compatibility with specific operations or models. The torch.unsqueeze function, also known as torch.expend_dims, allows you to add a new dimension to your tensor, enhancing its flexibility. In this tutorial, we'll explore the torch.unsqueeze function and provide code examples to illustrate its usage. The torch.unsqueeze function in PyTorch is used to add a new dimension to a tensor at a specified position. This is particularly useful when dealing with operations that require a specific tensor shape or when you need to align tensors for broadcasting. Let's go through some practical examples to understand how to use torch.unsqueeze. In this example, a new dimension is added at index 1, transforming the 1D tensor into a 2D tensor. In this example, a new dimension is added at index 0, transforming the 2D tensor into a 3D tensor. Here, a new dimension is added at index 2, resulting in a 3D tensor with a shape of 3, 4, 1. The torch.unsqueeze function in PyTorch is a powerful tool for manipulating tensor dimensions. Understanding how to use this function is crucial for adapting tensors to various deep learning tasks and ensuring compatibility with different models. By incorporating torch.unsqueeze into your workflow, you'll be better equipped to handle the diverse tensor shapes encountered in the world of deep learning. ChatGPT. Certainly. Expend_dims in PyTorch is a method used to increase the dimensions of a tensor by inserting a new axis at a specified position. This can be incredibly useful when you need to reshape tensors to fit certain operations or when you're working with different shapes in neural networks or other deep learning tasks. Let's create a tutorial demonstrating how expend_dims works in PyTorch with a code example. Expend_dims is a PyTorch function that allows you to increase the dimensionality of a tensor by adding new axes or dimensions at specified positions. This operation is helpful when you need to match tensor shapes for mathematical operations or neural network architectures. Let's say we have a one-dimensional tensor x in PyTorch. Now, if we want to convert this one-dimensional tensor x into a two-dimensional tensor with a new dimension added at position 1, indexing starts at 0, we can use expend_dims. Let's demonstrate how expend_dims can be useful in a practical scenario. Expend_dims or torch.unsqueeze is a convenient function in PyTorch that allows you to adjust the shape of tensors by adding new dimensions at specified positions. This functionality is valuable in preparing data for neural networks or aligning shapes for mathematical operations. Feel free to use expend_dims whenever you need to manipulate tensor dimensions to fit your specific deep learning or data processing tasks. I hope this helps. If you have any further questions or need more examples, feel free to ask ChatGPT.